Oh, maybe the sun will peek out today. I don't know. Hey, what's going on, guys? So today's kind of a really random Thursday. I'm currently working on a pond right here behind me because those goldfish I have in my basement, they need to be moved out. They're due, and you know, I want to get them in this pond. So pond's a little bit under construction, but I think I'm gonna drain that, clean it, and move them in there today just so they're in a better environment than in the basement in the fish tank. It's currently still kind of raining right now, and it's supposed to rain like on and off all day. So the overall goal for today is to get out and go fishing if possible, but we don't know if that's actually gonna happen because I don't know. I mean, it's starting to look nice. I don't know. So we'll see. I gotta run to the hardware store right now. I gotta go pick up tie rods for the F-150. I might be doing a video on that soon. A lot of you guys have been asking, but I don't know. We're gonna go ahead to the hardware store, or the car parts store, the truck parts store, the auto parts store, whatever store. I gotta go pick up tie rods. We're gonna come back. We're gonna move the fish into the pond and maybe go catch some slaunches. So other than that, let's go, let's get out of here. So right now we got the pond filling up with water. Should be nice and clean. The rain has picked up, but this pond's gonna be cool. I'm gonna do a lot to it. It's obviously kind of falling apart right now. It's been a while. I actually just put that new liner in. I actually had one before and like a mole or something cracked a hole in it. So we got a new liner in. I know I didn't really show that part. We got some rocks kind of set around, just holding it in place. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. And we're gonna fill this guy up and we're gonna get the fish in it. We're gonna get a fountain in it today, and I'm gonna try and go fishing. I'm probably gonna go fishing, so that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, house or whatever. So today's kind of been a big downward spiral. I woke up with expectations to get the fish in the pond. Then I had to go pick up some stuff for my truck, and then I was supposed to go fishing. Well, I got the stuff picked up for my truck, and I started working on the pond, and the pump that's from like my filtration system, etc., on the pond, it like broke, and it was like electrocuting the water. So I didn't want to kill my fish. Yada, you guys get the point. So we had to postpone that, and then all of a sudden one of my good buddies happened to come home from college, and he wanted to go fishing. So we don't have too much time. We have like probably about an hour, if that, to get out here and catch some fish. So what do we do with this time? We are gonna do a challenge. I got my MTB box, and there's this big controversy like between Yanomoto Senkos and Yum Dingers. Like, people try to say which one's better. So just for fun, today we are gonna do a Yum versus Yanomoto challenge. In the hour that we have, what are you taking, Yanomoto or Yum? Yanomoto?
I'll let you choose.
All right, I'm gonna take the Yum Dingers. I'm gonna put the Yum Dinger to the test. I'm gonna give him Yanomoto Senkos. So they're both the Senko, but you can only use, I can only use Yum and he can only use Yanomoto. Most fish wins. So that's what we're gonna do here. And yeah, then maybe tomorrow we'll pick up on the pond or something. All right, so we got the MTB Pro box. Here's the juice. So we got those Yanomotos and these Yanomotos, and then I have 3 different kinds of Yum Dingers. So literally they're the same thing. Yum's version of the Yanomoto Senko, which Ty's got. And yeah, I don't know, I'm probably gonna win because I don't lose challenges on my channel. He thinks he's gonna beat me, but we'll see what happens, guys. Hopefully you guys can hear because of the wind, because I don't have the wind muff on. And hopefully we don't get hit by a golf ball either. Just there's people golfing today, so. Yeah, I know, so here we go. Senko challenge starts. We gotta tie up, but starts right now. He doesn't have a GoPro, unfortunately, only I do, so I don't know, he's gonna have to yell or run up to me, or we'll just stay by each other, I guess, for the most part. And yeah, I don't know, here we go. Here goes nothing. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro like right now. Here's literally all we're allowed to use is just, all I'm allowed to use is a dinger, all he's allowed to use is a Senko. And a lot of people, I wouldn't say it's a controversy, but there's a lot of people that strictly only use Senkos, and there's a lot of people that really don't care. I'm one of those people where I like fishing with Yum Dingers. Why? Because they're $2.99 for a pack, and Yanomoto Senkos are like $6.99 for a pack. So, and what's the difference between the two? The Yanomoto is supposed to have like a better action as it falls on the fall. So, you know, people like that. The Dinger, I guess, doesn't have it as much, but at the end of the day, I think you catch just as many fish on the Dinger as you do the Senko. So I guess we're just testing this out. And yeah, I don't know. Or we're not going to catch anything because we just, oh, Oh, I lied, I just had one. No way. You get one? Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble now. Let's see if he gets it in. Oh man, he's got one. All right, 1-0. Uh-oh, I'm getting nervous now, boy. Who says you can't catch fish like it's summer? You know what, too? You got a 5-inch. I only got 4-inch, 4-inch dingers. Oh, that makes 2 of us, buddy. Oh, it got off. Oh, you son of a gun. All right, it was almost tied up. Maybe it doesn't matter. Nah, there's one. There we go, baby. This is what I need right now. We're tied up, buddy. Oh. All right, little one, but hey, we're a numbers game, not size. 1-1. If he stays on. Uh-oh. Ties up. 2-1. Man, they're dinks today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the green pumpkin because you know what? That always works. Money cast. Here we go. Oh yeah, nice juicy dinger. There we go. It's a better one for what we've been catching. Come here. There we go. Tied up, buddy. It's a little chunk. Right through the tongue. That's an interesting place. Sorry, bud.
That fish count?
No. All right, 2s.
7? Gotta get a full hour, right?
You want to call it at 7?
50 or 7, somewhere like that.
All right, we'll give it. Check 641. I mean, you could just forfeit. I'm literally just like, oh no, no, we're not tying. That's gonna be an odd conversation.
Definitely a small one.
Uh-oh. Oh, uh-oh. I'm gonna break it. Hey, we got till 7 o'clock is the 53. So we're tied up. 3-3?
3-3.
Oh man. There's one. Well, that's the biggest one yet, buddy. Not anything crazy, but 3-2, buddy. Where you going? Here's a little key to get this guy out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pop. Boom, guys. Biggest one yet. Nothing crazy. These things are like 1.5 pounds, maybe. Probably close to 2, maybe. But that gives me 3 points, baby. And I like that. All right, get bigger, little dude.
Okay.
It is 7 o'clock. All right, you get one more cast after this because it's 7 o'clock.
New worm.
Do we fish for a tiebreaker or do we just call it a tie?
I mean, tiebreaker might be for another day.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. Last cast.
Each game.
All right, I think that's it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me because of the wind, but I don't know. I was hoping we would solve something here. I'm gonna use your back for the wind. Ready? All right, because I don't have the wind muff. So
Exact same.
the goal was to have a challenge, and I guess nobody wins. The challenge was a tie, and then on top of that, you know, we wanted to try and break the controversy between Yanomoto Senkos and Yum Dingers. And unfortunately, I guess that was a tie too, so we'll never know. I guess we'll just never know. Other than that, I guess that's all we got for you guys today. And I don't know, we're gonna get into some more fishing this week. Today was just kind of crazy, and it's starting to get really windy. So other than that, I don't know, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, and we will catch you guys next time here on Tightline TV. Peace out, baby.